What are you doing to break through in a competitive market? Because low inventory also means more agents, competing for the same listing.
Mhm.
So what are you doing to help stand out as the professional to go to?
Well, I think number one is being prepared for those appointments if you're able to get into the door. It's really interesting. I met with a seller just recently, and it was a unique property, and she met with 6 agents. I was the only one that had comparables. Like, no one else took the time out to really dive in deep to find comparables.
My God.
Yeah, yeah.
That's one-on-one, right?
Yeah, so be prepared. Another thing is have a marketing plan. Like, I have an outline of 21 things that my team does for my sellers, and a few of those are unique. Floor plans, like 5% of American realtors put floor plans on their listings.
Yeah.
And that really helps buyers pull triggers much more quickly. 3D tours are another big thing that people are either love or hate, but I think in a virtual world that we live in, providing as much data and information to buyers up front will get a true buyer in the door to pull the trigger much more quickly.
Absolutely. And John and Sally moving from Los Angeles to Houston, who aren't flying this weekend, it'd be nice if they can get in the door without having to be here. That's serious.